Akshata's recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today's recipe, like all my other recipes, is a super simple recipe with very few ingredients, and the end result is super delicious. I'm sure you're going to love it and you'll want to make it all the time. So let's just head on to my kitchen and start with today's recipe, guys. So guys, let's begin with today's lovely recipe of dal khichdi. Now first I've taken 1 cup of moong dal and 1 cup of rice. I've washed it thoroughly and then I'm going to soak it for at least about 15 to 20 minutes and then pressure cook it for about 1 whistle on high and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you'll get this real mushy kind of dal and rice mixture. Now you could go with toor dal also. Now the other ingredients are, here I have about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic chopped finely, 1 inch of ginger chopped finely, 1 medium-sized onion chopped finely, a few curry leaves, about half a cup of fresh coriander. Now this is optional, but this is a kanda lasun masala. I'm just going to use about 1 teaspoon. Then I have half a teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of rye and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Some salt to taste and a little bit of lemon juice. And for the tadka, I'm going to use again about 2 to 3 chopped cloves of garlic as well as some dried red chillies. So here I've heated about 2 tablespoons, 1.5 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. You can also go with oil. Now I'm going to just put in my mustard seeds and my cumin, and I'm just going to let the mustard seeds pop a bit. Then I'm going to add my curry leaves. Next goes in the chopped up garlic. Now I'm making this in my pressure cooker because I am going to again pressure cook it to get that lovely mushiness to the dal. And then I'm going to add the ginger. Now all ingredients with their exact measurements are in the description box below. Now we're going to fry all of this really well till all the rawness of the garlic and the ginger go away. Next, I'm going to add the hing or asafotedia. Next goes in the turmeric or the haldi. Next goes in just about, a half a teaspoon of this kanda lasun masala. Now this is easily available if you go to these masala stores, where they where they themselves make the masalas, the ground masalas and sell them. Most of them, every market has one where they make their own home ground masala. So here you might have a chance of getting this kanda lasun masala. And of course then I've added my onions, and I'm going to fry everything really well. Now if you don't have the kanda lasun masala, you can just add maybe a pinch of garam masala. Now I'm going to add my mashed up dal and rice. So like I said, I've gone with moong dal, but you can also go with toor dal. It can be made with either of the two. Now this dal khichdi is really, it's so heartwarming and it's like a real soul food, and it's just delicious. You have to make it if you haven't already. And then I'm going to add about a cup of water, because this is a very mushy kind of recipe. For those of you who know what risotto is, this is very similar to risotto in the sense of the consistency. You want that lovely warm and lovely soothing kind of meal, and that is dal khichdi. So now I'm going to add a little bit of salt to taste. And then I'm just going to pressure cook it for just 1 whistle on high, and then I'm going to just completely put the cooker off, and then I'm just going to mix up everything. After the cooker has cooled down, I'm going to just put it on a low heat for once, and now I'm going to be making the tadka. So now I've put the gas off completely off the khichdi, and now I've just taken about 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now, for this you really need to add ghee for the tadka. because that just adds this amazing flavor. Don't put oil, guys. Put ghee or clarified butter for the tadka. And now I'm just going to add about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, which I've chopped up very fine. And I'm going to add about 3 dried red chillies, which I've chopped up again. Let the red chillies and the garlic really fry well, and just pour it over this dal khichdi, you know. And then garnish it with some coriander, and just mix everything well together. And then when you're going to be serving it, just drizzle a little bit of clarified butter or ghee again, which is completely optional, and some lovely lemon juice, and you're all set, guys. It's just heaven in a bowl. So I hope you try out this recipe. Do let me know in the comment section. I'm waiting to hear from you guys. But this is what I call soul food, and I hope you like it too. So I hope you like today's recipe, and I hope you will give it a try. Do let me know in the comment section below as to how you like today's recipe. Also, don't forget to give this video a quick thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. And don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. It's completely free, and it's just below this video. Just hit it. Once you click the subscribe button, a little bell will show up. Click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a video, you get a message for the same. Also, on the bell notification, press all. That way, whenever I put up a video, you will come to know and you won't miss out my recipes. So, guys, you can find any of my recipes on YouTube by just typing the recipe and then typing Akshata's recipes. For example, if you're looking for, let's say, chicken biryani, so you put chicken biryani, Akshata's recipes, and my recipe will come up first. Also, at the end of the video, 2 boxes will slide up. Those are my recipes. If you're interested in watching, just click on them. Also, in the middle of the video, something in white will come up, suggested. Those are also my videos. If you want to watch them, just click on them. You can follow me on Facebook, on Instagram. I have all my links below. Plus, the entire recipe with all its exact measurements are down in the description box just below this video. So, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Take care of yourselves, and be loving and kind to one another. And I'll catch you soon in my next video, sooner than you think. Take care. Bye.